I have Creta 2020e diesel variant. As you can see, there is no stereo or steering mounted controls or cruise control switch. Only buttons to operate MID screen are available. But in this Creta of 2020, installing cruise control is as easy as it can get. Anybody can do it. Even in the base model, everything regarding cruise control was equipped. Only user controls were withheld. So all we have to do is change the switch. Just the switch, nothing else. So I bought this switch for 1870 rupees, including courier charges, from Bansal Motors Pune, an authorized Hyundai dealer. You will find two screws on the sides of the steering. You need a flower type screwdriver to unscrew them. You need to unscrew both the screws on the left and the right. On unscrewing them, you can remove the airbag. Here comes the tricky part, removing the airbag connection. You will find two orange color things on either side of the plug. You need to pull them upwards. You need to pull both the orange colored things upwards. You don't have to press them, you just have to pull both those orange colored things with your fingernails upwards. Once you do that, it will pop up. So on completely removing the airbag, you will find this big nut which can be removed through the spanner given with the toolkit. It will be very tight, so you need to exert some force. Once you do that, you have to unscrew the nut. Remove the socket connected to the clock spring. Before taking out the steering, better mark the position of the steering with respect to the shaft. Then take out the steering. On the back side of the steering, you will find 4 screws. You need to unscrew these 4 screws using a star type screwdriver. Remove the socket connected to the switch. Remove the existing switch and then replace it with the new switch. That is it. That is the only change required, changing the switch. Now all you have to do is just restore the things. This is the only thing where it can go wrong. You need to keep the steering exactly in the same position. That is it. Let us test it. Cruise control does not get activated for speeds below 30. As you can see, I am trying to activate the cruise by pressing the cruise button. It is not getting activated. Once the speed is above 30, it gets activated. By pressing the plus button, you can increase the cruise speed. If you hold the plus button, it will jump increase the speed in tens. You better be careful with that. By engaging either clutch or brake, the cruise mode will be paused. It doesn't get deactivated, it gets paused. As you can see, as I have pressed the clutch, the speed started to decrease. In order to resume the cruise mode, you need to press this button. As the speed is below 30, the cruise mode isn't getting resumed. Once I accelerate it to 30 and I pressed the button, the cruise mode got resumed. In order to stop the cruise mode, you need to press the button with the speedometer symbol. Thank you.